The E3 aircraft is powered by 4 Pratt & Whitney engines. The US Air Force uses the E3 Sentry aircraft. The UK Royal Air Force, the French Air Force and the Saudi Air Force also uses the E3 AWACS aircraft. The work of the E3 Sentry aircraft is airborne surveillance and C3 command, control and communication. The wingspan is of 44.43 meters. The E3 aircraft is manufactured by Boeing and is based on the Boeing 707. The fuel tanks have a capacity of 9500 liters. It has an unrefined fuel range of 9250 kilometers. It has a flight endurance of 11 hours. It has in-flight refueling probe and receptacle.